Hello and welcome to the video tour for Domain Espionage for Firefox, the browser extension that makes it quick, easy, and painless to find exact match keyword domains with search volume. And it does this by integrating with some of the most popular online keyword tools like Google's keyword tool, Word Tracker's free keyword tool, Keyword Discovery's free keyword tool, um, SEMrush.com, and KeywordSpy.com. And it does this by taking the keyword suggestions and the keyword results returned by these tools and checks for domain availability for those keywords. I mean, that's what it does, but it's a super simple, drop dead easy way to find exact match domains. So let me just show you an example. We're in Google's keyword tool, obviously. I'm going to enter the word dating. I like to check the box that only shows closely related ideas. I think you get better results. I'm going to set a filter to have at least 1,000 searches a month for the keyword. Now, as Google returns their results, Domain Espionage is going to check domain availability in the background, and it does this pretty quickly. It does the com, net, and org extensions. And before I start taking a look at the results, let's set the exact match numbers so we can get a little more accurate reading here. And then the final thing I like to do is sort the results by search volume so they're listed from the most searches to the least searches so you can quickly root through them. Now, I think it should come as no surprise that in the dating market, most of the big boy, heavy hitter domain, exact match domain keywords are already taken, but we can find some pretty good ones, I think. We have Oasis Dating here, and actually on this first page of results, Oasis Dating is mentioned several times. Oasis Dating site, Oasis.com dating. That's obviously a business, that's obviously a site and a brand, so I tend to stay away from those kinds of keywords. But let's take a look at the second page here. Okay, so we have interracialdatingscentral.org is available. I imagine that's too as a website, but it's a pretty generic sounding name as well. So you might be able to get away with using something like this. I don't know. And again, I don't even know if it's a dating website. I don't know much about this market. But if you click on the link, basically it will go to GoDaddy where you can register that domain and also confirm that it's available. And there it is. And that gets 8,100 searches a month and a 72-cent cost per click. Completely free dating.org is available. I'll check that one out. And freedatingwebsite.org. Let's open that one up. Let's see, completelyfreedating.org is available. And freedatingwebsite.org is available. So those are three pretty decent exact match domains. Now the freedatingwebsite.org has got a $5.30 cost per click and 4,400 searches a month. Completely free dating, $235 and 5,400. So between these three keywords, we're looking at just under 18,000 exact match searches a month, all for just a couple of minutes of digging around and clicking on a few links. And that's it. That's what this tool does. I use Google's keyword tool the most, but you can find some really good suggestions in the other services. I'll show you in another video how Domain Espionage integrates with those tools. But first, let me show you some examples of exact match domains that I found from keywords for about 45 minutes to an hour of just searching around on different keywords. Now I've pasted in this list of keywords. It's 21 keywords, and I'm going to do a search on those, and I just have them in brackets so it automatically returns the exact match number, so I don't have to worry about clicking on this over here from broad to exact match. And there we go. I'm going to list all these domains, and there we go. I think they'll all fit in the window. But you can see they range from 22,000 searches a month down to 1,900. All of them have pretty good cost per clicks. Only 5 or 6 of them have a cost per click less than $1. And some pretty good domains, I think. P2Psoftware.org is available. I think Hotels in Atlanta is a really good one, .org. What to do in NYC? It's kind of an interesting domain to me. It's got a lot of short words, and even an abbreviation for New York City, but it's something that I always type in when I'm getting ready to go somewhere. Like if I'm traveling to Boston, I'll think in things to do in Boston, what to do in Boston. So those could be kind of a good, some good phrases to search on, and just add different city names into there, and that could be something that could be used to create a visitor's guide where you could not only tell about the things you can do in those cities, but also have AdSense and also promote air travel and hotels and car rentals and things like that. So between these 21 terms, if we were to add up all this search volume, we're looking at 162,200 exact match searches a month between these 21 domains. And so, you could just take your list here. We're going to select them all. We're going to go over here to GoDaddy and do their bulk registration. And actually, I've already put that in. I'll do this again. You can paste them in and make sure the com.net.org. Click search. It says those are invalid characters, those brackets. Do you want us to remove them? Yes. And it shows you the ones that are unavailable, but you can see that we have, out of those 21 keywords, there's 23 domains available. So some of you can get multiple extensions, the .org and the .net or the .com or what have you. So those are 23 domains that are available, and I mean, you're looking at over 160,000 exact match searches a month just between those 23 or 21 keywords, and then there's 23 available domains, those keywords. So that's it. One thing I did come across, I'll show you before I wrap up this video. I mentioned not going after trademark domains and that kind of thing, but one thing you'll find very quickly is that there's tons of trademark domains available, that it's hard to believe that the companies who own the brand don't have them registered. I guess they figure that if anytime they want, they can just tell somebody to cease and desist. But there were some pretty, let's see, I'm going to do, for thinking of Microsoft, put in Windows, and there's some actually pretty good domains available, just to show you the kind of stuff that you can uncover. It's pretty interesting. Well, let's see. Obviously, a lot of these are taken, but look, Windows Live Essentials, 135,000 searches a month. Let's check that one out. Have Windows Mobile 7. I think that's a great domain name. Obviously, I'm pretty sure Microsoft would go after you for it, but it could be really easily be made into a good information site. And let's just take a look. See, Windows Live Essentials.net is available. WindowsMobile7.org is available. And this one really kind of blew me away. That was available. Again, I'm sure it's because it's a trademark kind of thing, but you're having the WindowsVirtualPC.com showing as available. Actually, all three extensions are showing as available. And we'll just go over to GoDaddy here, and WindowsVirtualPC.com is available. So I think those are really actually good domain names. Like again, Microsoft could probably go after you, but for Windows Virtual PC, it could be easily made into an information website regarding Windows Virtual PC services and the kinds of tools that let you create virtual PCs that are out there. And the WindowsMobile7.org, I think it could be a great information site as well. Again, I'm not going to register any of these because I have no plans to turn them into sites, and Microsoft could probably go after you for them, obviously. But what's interesting is just those three domains alone, you're looking at 266,000 exact match searches a month. I mean, Windows Live Essentials.net alone gets 135,000 exact match searches a month. So those three keywords, those three domains get almost more than 100,000 more searches a month than the 21 keywords I showed you in the previous example. So this is just an idea of the kinds of things you can uncover, and it's a really fun tool. You can really get sucked in very easily messing around with but that's it. That's how you use domain espionage, and that's how you find exact match keyword domains with search volume.